progress on the painting. I don't know if you can really see it. Most of it's still in my head, so. One thing I need to accept about human beings. We like puns. I don't know what's wrong with us. I'm not really a fan of them myself, but I don't think that there's like, maybe it's a law that, like, especially if you have a hair cutting operation, that you have to name it some kind of hair cutting pun, like shear style or a cut above. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. It must have been some piece of legislation passed in the early 1900s. That's just a beautiful house. Beautiful old farmhouse. Beautiful old farm. Hey, there she is. Oh, look what shirt you're wearing. Awesome. What? Egg collecting? Oh, wait. Nice. Good morning.
Hi. You want to see the baby?
Sure. Baby chicks?
Yeah, we had,
Oh, that's right, because one of them hid out. Hello, little chick.
I guess that's it. We're going to swim all the way out. I think it's just as far, maybe even, you'll have to let me know what you think. To that, see the sort of bare spot there? And you can...
I started swimming out and I realized I should be bringing the camera. See what's around the other side of the point. You want to see it too, don't you? Okay. This is nice. Good morning, it's Saturday. I'm about to go for a run, but I'm kind of preoccupied with the fact that my computer crashed. And I haven't backed it up lately. We're supposed to have a hurricane tomorrow. My dad and Gloria, his... Do you call an 85-year-old's significant other a girlfriend? I mean, I don't think so. But they're not married. My father's significant other, they're both coming here because they live on the 33rd floor in Battery Park City, which is right near the water in Manhattan, and there's fear of flooding, and they're up high, and the winds and all that, and they just had a, you may have heard, if you're not on the East Coast, you may have heard that there was a earthquake on the East Coast, not a huge one, but they actually felt it in their apartment. He said the walls shook. Anyway, so natural disasters are happening, so they're coming here. So I'm gonna go for a run. I'm gonna stock the house with a few food items, clean up a bit, fill some jugs with water. We've done most of that already, and hopefully get my computer working before I lose electricity for days.
No more.
The refugees have arrived.
Right. Do we have to register?
No.
Do we need a green card?
You just need to be licked by Millie.
Oh.
She loves refugees.
All right.
My God, she doesn't want to give up on this.
No.
Hello there. Refugee number 2.
Yep. Hey. long, because they take up a lot of memory. Unless you have something.
How do I stop it?
Oh, press that middle button.
Aside from bagels aren't the same anymore.
We're coming up on my road. Bagels, pretzels, that's it. That's my road.
Oh, left. I was looking for it on the right.
Bagels, pretzels, what else?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Nothing. Corn, you're lucky if you get corn that's good, or fruit tomatoes that's fresh.
Depends on where you go shop, I think, for produce. All right, we made it, and it's actually not raining. What hurricane?
Tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
It's coming. We're here.
No. It's the no Millie zone.
Millie. No.
No Millie. No Millie zone.
Millie.
Go to that crotch over there.
Go back and lick my dad's knees some more.
These knees over here.
Why is this? Alright, let's do this.
Miss Millie, are you done with your nap? You ready to play? So, this is the exciting life of the refugee. So nice not to get your...
It's not her face, it's her neck, it's her shade.
Yeah. You don't have to film all of it, but it's always fun to show what people do to pass their time when they're waiting for a hurricane.
The great hurricane was.
We shave our dogs.
Little does he know, but Simpson is next. We have quite an audience for this.
Yeah, it's quite a spectator sport.
Oh, it's wonderful.
I like your face. I like how you look, Millie. Millie just got a face trim and an ear cleaning. Oh! That's her sign of appreciation. That means she loved it. Good dog.
I said we're going to come out there to see you.
That's right, I know.
Well, I'm not sure.
He never is.
What'd you say?
I'm not sure about that trip.
Okay.
Don't pay attention.
So we'll see you in October.
Right. But you'll call me tomorrow, and well, I guess you'll call me if you can call me tomorrow.
That's right.
It's like 3:15 in the morning. We gave our bed to my dad and Gloria. And Jim and I were going to sleep on this air mattress. And it just didn't hold air. So I gave up and I came out to the couch. Hang out with the dog. And I just cannot sleep. I've been trying and trying. I've been like deep breathing. I've been like doing visualizations of myself at the bottom of the ocean as a sack of sand. Every breath I would take in more sand and just relax into the ocean floor. That was every inhale, every exhale, just exhaling all worries. It didn't work. I yawned and yawned, and stretched and yawned. So at 3:15, it's raining somewhat gently out there. This isn't much of a hurricane yet. I think I got all revved up about the hurricane. Earlier tonight, before I went to sleep, or tried to go to sleep, I worked on a letter to an old friend. This is like my best friend for many years, who kind of basically, to put it in her words, I don't know exactly how she put it, but she's got burnt out on me. And looking back, I completely understand what she means, because I have a tendency to put myself first, and she had a tendency to put herself second. Not a good combination, not a healthy situation. So, anyway, our friendship sort of ended, it feels like. I mean, I don't trust that it's over, because I still care about her, and in my mind, I'm still her friend, whether or not she takes me up on it. So I've been trying lately to reach out, and I've been writing some letters, and so tonight I wrote a letter where I'm putting in a list, because every now and then it runs through my mind, like certain things that happened in our past and that I regret, that I wish I had done better, that I wish I hadn't done it all. And I just decided to write a list of all of those things that would come to mind. And so I did. I put them all down on paper. And it feels like a good thing to have done. I'm hoping it's useful to her, but I can say for myself that it was useful to me. I think it's so good to apologize for the things that haunt us that we wish we had done better. I mean, it's like for your own sake. Even if you've already apologized before and you're still haunted, apologize again. I think Randy Pouch, who was a teacher, college teacher, professor, who died of, I think, pancreatic cancer. And if you don't know who I'm talking about, please Google him. His last name is Pauch. Anyway, he had a philosophy about apologizing, that a proper apology has 3 parts. And honestly, it's been a while since I thought about it or saw his talk where he outlines this, so I'm not sure I have it right. One part is saying I'm sorry. One part is detailing what it is that you're sorry for. And a third part is the offer or the attempt to make amends. It's more than just the offer, it's the attempt to make amends. I thought that was pretty smart. So I'm working on that. It sucks when you're tired, but you feel like it's overstimulated or something and you can't sleep. I had some chocolate. My dad picked out a treat for us when we went to the grocery store earlier. So we ended up having a late dessert. Chocolate keeps me awake. I really just have to accept it. I said it before, no chocolate after 8 p.m. Really, it probably is no chocolate after 2 p.m. or something. I mean, really, it's such a frigging underhanded stimulant for me. It doesn't make me all super revved up, and it sneaks up on me and it just keeps me awake. I love you and I hate you, chocolate.